Ginger and aloe tea, a powerful, natural drink. Ginger and aloe vera tea is one of the most healing and powerful drinks out there. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time to do so. Discover its great flavor and incredible benefits. In natural medicine, these two ingredients are undoubtedly the most well-known and used. Aloe is a shrub. It is made of fleshy stalks that are full of benefits. Ginger is an age-old root that's able to treat many of our common pains. In this article, we want you to discover the magic of combining these two elements. Later, you'll see all the benefits it gives your body. Give it a try. The great benefits of ginger and aloe tea. There is some interesting information out there about ginger or aloe tea. First of all, it's very helpful for women's overall health. Above all, this is true of those at menopause. This is a time when it regulates your weight, accelerates your metabolism, and fights hot flashes and cold hands and feet. It fights gastritis. As you may know, your stomach is covered with a mucus lining. This protects you from your own stomach juices when you digest food. This tissue can become inflamed for many reasons. This is especially true in the presence of some bacteria. Aloe vera is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It's capable of regenerating your body and relieving infections. This is especially true for your gastric mucus. However, you may have some question when we talk about ginger. How can this medicinal root with such a strong flavor be good at fighting acid or gastritis? First, it's important to know that ginger stops the growth of all bacterial strains. This includes those that cause gastritis. This tea acts as a protective remedy against gastritis or ulcers associated with bacteria. It also helps to reduce pain, nausea, and discomfort. Finally, it reduces the inflammation of your stomach lining. This is because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It acts as a natural analgesic. Ginger together with aloe vera helps you to treat discomfort associated with osteoarthritis, muscular pain, headaches, menstrual pain, the pressure associated with varicose vein pain. Ginger acts as a natural analgesic. It has almost the same properties as ibuprofen. Aloe vera is a powerful anti-inflammatory remedy. It's very good for all of the processes associated with arthritis and menstrual pain. It helps you lose weight. This ginger aloe tea acts as a cleanser. It's a great way to eliminate toxins and other residues in your body. Above all, this is thanks to the present in aloe vera. It can also speed up your metabolism. This allows you to burn the stubborn fat stored in your abdomen. In addition, this tea has a satisfying effect due to the ginger. Together with ginger, aloe vera stimulates intestinal movement. It acts as a great natural laxative. All of these benefits are a great aid in healthy weight loss. It helps you to lower your cholesterol. Drinking this tea every day is enough to significantly reduce your triglyceride and bad cholesterol (LDL) levels. When consumed correctly, ginger has almost the same effects as atorvastatin, a medication that lowers your cholesterol levels. Aloe vera also helps take care of your heart health. This is because it has germanium, a trace element that is also present in garlic. How to make ginger aloe tea. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of honey. Preparation. First of all, make sure you never consume more than 3 grams of ginger per day. Taking too much can have negative consequences. Next, bring the water to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the freshly grated garlic along with the aloe vera. The translucent gel comes from the inside of the plant's stalks. Let it boil for 15 minutes. Then, let it sit for another 10 minutes. Strain the drink so only the tea remains. Sweeten it with honey and drink it in the morning for breakfast. Caution: if you have hypertension, Crohn's disease, or kidney stones, you shouldn't consume ginger. However, aloe vera is only dangerous if eaten in large amounts. The amount listed in this recipe is a healthy amount.